Come on. La, 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 la,
What do you think?
Well, let me take a good look.
Wow, it's cute. It's a mansard.
Oh, I love it.
You know, this is like my favorite style house.
No, I didn't know that. Today we're going to go meet up with Ryan and Carrie. They have 2 children, blended family.
Hey!
Hi, guys. How are
Welcome.
you?
Come on in.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's very yellow. And the first thing I notice is your stairs.
Yeah, right. Stairs original to the house. The house is like 1860. It's an old house.
Crazy, wild, 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 wild.
Myself, I've renovated about 5 times. I've been here for about 20 years, and I met Kerry about 5 years ago.
When COVID hit, I didn't even ask him. I just moved in with my son and my dog. The layout of the house doesn't make a lot of sense.
So this house has 4 bedrooms and 1 bath.
I mean, 1 bathroom, 4 people.
It becomes very stressful. Family room has a staircase that doesn't really have a purpose or need. We have 5 doors in our primary bedroom. When Kerry moved in, she really highlighted a lot of issues with the house that I was just living with.
Why is there a staircase behind the couch?
What?
Where does it lead to?
It actually leads to the primary bedroom. It's never been used, so we put a couch in front of it.
Do you mind?
No.
No,
All right.
go ahead, go for it.
It makes
Climb
perfect
over.
sense.
Okay.
We have dogs and kids, so everybody's done that.
Yeah. And there, at one point, there was a curtain, so you
Is this how
couldn't
you
really
get
see
into
it.
your living room?
Good morning.
This is what makes a Frankenhouse.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Stairs in your primary bedroom, which leads to the back of a sofa.
Right. As you design houses moving forward, everybody's going to ask for that.
Right.
Stairway to
It's a
nowhere.
trend.
I'm noticing
Yeah, different
the
ceiling
different
heights.
ceiling height.
Yes. This room was the first renovation again, and I didn't understand the house when I moved here. When I started to do renovations, being the first room, I just painted the ceiling.
Let's go check out the kitchen.
Way back here is our
Okay.
kitchen.
I mean, it's super spacious.
Right. Very disconnected to the rest of the house. You know, although it is nicer.
Is this an addition?
This is an addition not by me. This was probably an addition in the 1920s.
Gotcha.
We renovated this kitchen like 5 years ago.
Yeah. The style in the dining room is very traditional.
Yes.
So that isn't what you're into anymore?
That's terrible.
No. We could live in this room because you have, you know, a newer vibe.
Yeah.
If you had a bathroom down here, which I don't know if you've noticed, we don't
I
have a
was
bathroom.
gonna ask.
No, only bathroom is upstairs, which makes it also hard for
Oh,
entertaining.
If you're in the pool, you gotta use the bathroom. You
You
have
go-
to go
All the way upstairs.
Yes,
Yeah.
with
75 feet
with
that
your
way.
wet towel.
go
Yeah.
up the stairs and to a bathroom somewhere?
Yes.
Yeah.
Way off the charts of a must-have.
Okay.
It's not very functional.
I would love a kitchen that connects to the dining room, and I would love a primary bedroom with some type of privacy. More than 1 bathroom upstairs would really change our lives, make our relationship better.
This is Ryan's house, and now we're creating a home for them together. Ryan is about the aesthetic, but Carrie wants function. Privacy in the bedroom, privacy in the bathroom, not having your guests see hair products in the tub.
You think we can do it all?
Well, what are we thinking for budget?
250-ish kind of range.
Okay.
It's a lot of money, but it's time.
Yeah. I have a question.
Sure.
Come on, let's go to the kitchen.
Go ahead.
Okay, so I see you have subway tile. Is that something that you're like? How would you pinpoint your style? Like,
Not white, no white.
yeah.
We love color,
Yeah.
wallpaper too.
I would love it to feel kind of fresh,
We can do
modern,
Yeah.
kind of slick, but I want it to be kind of
Yeah, some
kind
seating
of loungy
and-
kind of feel to it. We've seen what you can do,
Okay.
and we're saying go.
Okay. I'm just gonna have at it, but there's always a risk when I'm given free rein. And honestly, it could backfire if they don't like the direction I'm going in.
We'll hit the ground running.
Cool.
Awesome.
You know the first floor bump out on the right side of Carrie and Ryan's house? They use that room for storage right now. But what I'm thinking of doing is building a second floor addition on top of that,
So, costs.
adding 200 square feet, call it roughly $50,000 to $60,000.
That's no small thing.
We have a healthy budget here, so I think they'll be willing to do that. This would allow the children to have their own bathroom.
This is insane. This is our first project in Weymouth, and this is a great place to just do a killer job, get the name of the business out there.
Agreed.
So,
You think we would do a bad job?
no, I just want to make sure that we nail it. Welcome to the design studio.
Thank you.
Have a seat.
Oh,
you
all
don't
right,
have
thank
to
you.
stand while we're presenting.
Thank you.
So this is your existing first floor plan. Your kitchen is on one side of the first floor, and the dining room is on the other. So we're gonna flip the kitchen in the family room so that it's easy to serve guests in the dining room. The family room, now in the back of the house, will have easy access to the backyard.
Yeah, we love it. Absolutely love it.
You're missing a major function on your first floor.
I'm gonna say a bathroom.
Ding, ding, ding. We're gonna get rid of the staircase to the second floor in the family room. That opens up a much needed space for a powder room.
I love it.
Right.
Let's keep this party going up to the
right.
second floor. Right now, you have to go all the way up the stairs through the only bathroom in the house to get to your bedroom. So, to get that bathroom away from your bedroom entrance, we'll build an addition on top of your first floor. This will become a new hallway bathroom.
Oh.
One of the other issues is the hallway is so cramped. So the bathroom that used to be taking up a lot of that real estate moves out over here. So you have a nice, grand hallway on the second floor. The plan for your guys' bedroom is to give you a primary suite. What that entails is a bathroom. So you'll get a full functioning shower, a toilet, and a sink, a walk-in closet, and your own space, your own bedroom.
Wow.
We're gonna wall off the door to your son's bedroom so you'll have more privacy.
Let's do it.
I love
All right.
We have 20 weeks to do 2 floors of renovation and an addition. Ryan and Carrie are living in a short-term rental, which isn't cheap, so we need to get them back home on schedule.
Now that the staircase to nowhere is gone, I'm framing out a floor upstairs. That will be a new ensuite bathroom. Second floor addition going in gives Carrie and Ryan a whole new second bathroom upstairs.
Hello?
Hey, babe.
Ooh. All right, now this is gonna be a big deal. This used to be
Stairs.
stairs. This is where the sofa was.
Yep.
And they have a doorway.
Yep, to the pool area.
They were saying their guests would run all the way through their house and go to that one bathroom they had in the entire house. And now look how much their lives are gonna change. Okay, so when you leave the rear entry, now you're in the
Kitchen.
Oh my gosh.
See, look. See the hole?
Wow. This is the old
The
bathroom.
only bathroom they had. This is the new one. Did an addition. Gives Carrie a bathroom on their second floor for the kids as well. And now we're walking to the primary suite. We used to come through the door here from the bathroom. Basically,
Oh, wow, this is really nice.
right?
We can get this out of here and now.
I want to check out the upstairs. Some of the tiles are already in. Wow. This is beautiful.
This is the kids' bathroom.
Look at this.
This used to be a roof.
Oh, that's right.
This addition hits the nail on the head for the functionality that Carrie wants.
So now you're gonna have the sink here, nice big storage, and a countertop that goes across.
That window is so stinking cute. And I actually love how it picks up on the shape on the floors, the curvature.
All right.
Just tell me how I got this gold.
Ooh, look at the railing. It's a heavy one. All right, we're down to the wire.
Ryan and Carrie move back in tomorrow.
There's so much happening. There are painters. We're trying to stage. It's crazy town. I really hope we can get this done. We gotta work around the trades. Not a very ideal situation to be in, but we have to do what we have to do. We worked really hard to make this a home for both of them. Anything less, that's a fail.
Nice, look at this, there they are.
We did it!
You made it.
How are you guys feeling?
We're feeling very excited, right?
Yeah, we
can't wait.
We just want to go in.
We just want to go in.
Well, listen, let's go take a look.
Let's go.
All right,
Come on.
let's go.
You guys lead the way.
Carrie runs.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
And I want the wind to blow me just a little higher.
It's not yellow.
Oh, God.
And I want my light to shine out just a little brighter.
Where are we? This is amazing.
The tile. Oh my gosh.
Look at the banister. It grew.
That's the same staircase?
Same staircase.
This is actually your existing staircase railing. We extended it about 12 inches.
Painting it black updates it.
Now, I love it. You kept the parts that we loved, and you made it new. This is unbelievable. Oh my God, does the rest of the house look anything like this? Let's see some more. Oh my God. This is amazing.
Holy cow, look at this, Ryan.
My God, the floor, the green, beautiful.
Yeah.
With the glass shelves, it's amazing. The table, my records, beautiful. You know, most of them from my old man. He just passed away just recently, so it's pretty special to have it, like, in the heart of the house.
It was really important to me to make this space feel like both of you.
It's a gathering space. So
What do you think?
You can
What do
sit
you
down.
think?
You can
like
sit-
it?
We're gonna have people over again.
You got it all. Slick and modern. and
Hey!
cozy.
new.
I think you guys are ready for the next area.
I think so. Look at this. Oh my God.
Alright now. Get on up. Go crazy, crazy.
So different.
Holy shoot. Oh my God.
Live it up. Come on.
Wow.
The kitchen is in the middle of the house. Wow. This is beautiful. Oh, you got one of the pot filler things. Yes.
I don't have words.
The little things. It's awesome. Backsplash is amazing.
Wow, look at all the space.
You've done so much changes. I'm having trouble like orienting myself.
This was a wall.
Oh, that's unbelievable.
You had the sofa here that was
Okay.
blocking the stairs. that
Remember I
went up.
climbed
Oh,
over?
yeah, that's
Yeah.
right.
The kitchen was on the very end of the house.
Now this is Carrie and Ryan's kitchen.
Right?
Entertainment-wise, you're still a part of everything.
Right.
It makes sense. It didn't make sense before.
Yeah, I'm gonna love entertaining and having people out there eating and
Yeah.
us in here cooking. It's gonna be fantastic.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
love it.
What is this?
Oh my goodness.
This? You can sit out here.
I couldn't help myself but give you this like cafe lounge vibe.
This is amazing.
My stuff and things.
Cabinets,
Wow.
they're beautiful. Love it. I
need
love
to
the
go check
backsplash.
the number. This is not our house.
This is amazing.
Whoa, look at that. It says
Wow,
welcome.
beautiful tile. That's so cool.
Look
Amazing.
at the tile.
I want to make this a
This is
moment for
awesome.
Carrie and play with it. So that's
love
where this
it.
welcome home
I love it.
derived from, you know?
We did the tile for a wet zone, guys. Because if you're using the pool, you coming in.
It's smart.
Right.
Super
Right.
smart.
For this next space, I took a major risk, and I'm hoping that you love it.
Oh, nice.
Awesome.
Oh,
my
come
God.
on. We love this.
Oh, this is so cool.
Oh, we
my
love
God.
this.
It's like giraffe print. I love giraffes.
She loves giraffes, by the way.
Giraffe.
You didn't have a bathroom down here.
No, no bathroom. You had to go through the whole house.
Now you can go from the pool to your powder room.
This was where your staircase went down in the basement.
True, yeah.
And your staircase went up to the closet upstairs.
And it's a pocket,
Pocket door.
I love this. Okay, bye guys. I'll see you later.
I can't believe you're so happy about a bathroom.
I know.
You did great. We wanted something different. This is different.
The next room is Denise's favorite room.
Let's go.
Oh, this is nice.
It's like a grown-up room.
I don't even know what to look at first.
And you have your fireplace thing.
This is beautiful.
Wow.
This is so slick.
The vertical slats was built by both of our dads. I feel like they knocked this one out of the park.
I think they did.
This room used to be your old kitchen. We basically swapped the spaces.
This is so modern. It's everything we talked about, right?
Sit there.
I feel smarter already for some reason.
It's too nice.
Yeah.
Do I deserve this?
Yeah, you
yes,
do.
I do.
All right, drum roll. This next space requires you going up the stairs.
Can't believe there's another floor. Wow, look at this.
It's a hallway.
It's a hallway. Wow.
Holy cow. It's beautiful.
Yeah. Carrie, you're not gonna fall over your
No.
railing.
Look, it's above.
It's safe now.
Yeah,
Wow.
it is. Wow.
So if you remember, right, this used to be the door to the old bathroom.
Right.
The only bathroom in your house.
So we are in the old bathroom.
And the reason we're able to do that is we built over the existing one-story bump out you had on your first floor. This is very life-changing for you guys.
There's definitely more to see behind that door.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
Oh, wow.
It's a bathroom.
Look at the window.
Holy cow, look at the tile.
Like downstairs is incredible. I don't know which level's more life-changing. Like, I don't know. This is amazing.
If you think this is amazing,
Wait until you see the next space.
There's more?
yeah.
Oh, wow.
Somebody's hero. You never know.
It feels big.
It is, yeah, wow.
That's really beautiful. Love the bed.
Wow, look at the light.
Yeah. This is such an improvement.
'Cause you could be somebody's hero.
I wanted the space to feel light and airy. This is the perfect place for you to come home, unwind. I didn't want to go dark in here whatsoever.
It feels super cool, like crazy cool.
You didn't have nightstands. You just had these like little floating, I don't know what they were, but this is floating. It's not too clunky, and you have storage.
Wow.
Wow. Well, I didn't even think there was this much space in here.
Beautiful. Our old bedroom had 5 doors.
So you said you had 5 doors. We have 3 doors.
Right.
You've opened 2.
Right. All right, let's do this.
Oh, wow, look at
Whoa.
this. It's a bathroom. Oh my
Wow.
God. It's a shower. Oh my God,
Wow.
look
I can't believe you fit a bathroom in here
at
this
this.
size.
No, there's 3 bathrooms.
Wow.
I can store my makeup in a drawer and not in the tub. Look at that. Wow. This is where the staircase was, right?
Yep. Getting rid of that staircase to come up here made room for your primary bathroom.
Well done.
Can't believe this is the same
Right.
house. Wow.
Let's head downstairs.
Awesome.
They trusted me with their house. They didn't know what they were going to get.
And I think it was a hit.
It was a major hit. Okay.
Wow.
I had no idea it could look like this.
Yeah, we're blown away. I feel like I can't believe we're gonna be living here. Everything from how open it is to how modern it is.
3 bathrooms, privacy.
We wanted a place that we could call our own, and we're gonna call this place our own.